Okay, this video is going to be on the media library. So over here on the left side, if you click on, or if you lean on the media button, you'll get two choices. You can go into the library, or you can add a new picture, illustration, or video. So let's go into the library here. Okay, once you go into your library, it's going to pull up all of the pictures that are in your library so far. Okay, and here you can also click on Add New, and it'll throw up this box. You hit Select Files, okay, and then you go to wherever your pictures are. Let's see here. Okay, and you can click on, and if you hit Control, if you lean on Control and then click, you can pick a few pictures, and then click Open. And that will bring them, see over here, it brings them into your library, okay? So once they're in the library, you can click on them and it'll throw up, this is the link if you should ever need it. Now you can give it a title, Call to Action button, okay? And then copy it and put this in your alt and your description. This is very important in search engine optimization, to fill in the title, the alt text, and the description. If you want to put a caption on your picture, you can, but you don't have to. Okay, and then this kind of saves automatically. So once the information is here, you click X to get out of this particular picture. Now, if you have a duplicate picture, and you want to get rid of it to make room, let's say, you can click on down here where it says delete permanently, and then you can get rid of the picture. And these arrows are if you want to just go through your library looking for a specific picture. You can use these arrows. So I'm going to X out of here, okay? So that's basically how your video library works. Now, say you want to add a picture from outside of your library. Let's go over here to Google Images, okay? And suppose you want a picture of you're writing an article and you want a picture of a beautiful house. Okay? So it's going to throw up a whole bunch of pictures here. So let's go down and choose one. Here's a nice one here. Okay, so if you lean on the picture and you click the button, you'll get a choice here to copy the image URL, and that's the one that you want. So copy the image URL, and what it does is it puts it on your clipboard. So now go back to your media library, okay, and let's say we're in we're doing a post. So let's go into, let's go into a post that we've already done. Let's see here, my first blog post. We'll click on edit and we'll go in here, okay, and so let's say over here, right here, we want to add this picture. So we put the cursor where we want to add the picture, okay, and then we click on the button that says add media. All right, and so it's not in the library and you don't want to upload it. You go over here where it says insert from URL and you click that, and then you click Control V to paste the link that you just copied from that picture. Okay, and you would do the same thing here. You would fill in the alternate text. Beautiful house. Okay, and then you choose your alignment. I'm going to choose left so that the paragraph wraps around the picture, okay, and then we insert into post. And where's the picture here? Oh, I was in the wrong page here. See, I was in text, not visual. That's probably good that happened. You have to be in the right picture here. I mean the right panel. So we're in visual here. So let's go down here. We'll put it here. Insert media. Okay. Beautiful picture, house. All right, we're going to align it left and insert into the post, and there it is. Okay, so it inserts right next to the post. Now, just a word of caution, okay? If the person, the original website, wherever this picture was pulled from, if they take this picture down for whatever reason, then your link here is going to go dead. So sometimes, in order to keep your blog, you know, sort of new and not having those types of problems, you might want to save the picture. So you click on the picture, and instead of choosing to copy the image URL, you're going to choose Save Image As, okay? And then you want to go someplace on your hard drive and then put the picture. Beautiful house, JPG. Okay, looks like I have another one here, so we'll put number 2. Okay, and then save. Okay, so, and you can see down here it downloaded onto my computer. So if we go back here, okay, we click on this picture, we hit delete. Okay, now we're going to put our cursor right at the beginning of the paragraph, go up and click Add Media. All right, click Insert Media, Upload Files. Okay, now we're going to go get that house. Here's beautiful house 2. Okay, and then you fill in your alt text and your description, and then you put Insert into Post. Okay, now it inserts it. It defaults to have no alignment, and that's why it pushed all of the text down here. So you click on the picture and you choose, do you want to align left, align center, align right, or no alignment? Okay, so then we're going to choose to align left, and that will make the text wrap around the picture. Now also, if you want to resize this picture, say you don't want it this big, you see how it has all of these little squares on it? You just lean on one of the corners and then click and then drag it to another size and unclick, and that it'll resize to a customized size. Okay, and so once you're done adding your pictures, you can update. Okay, and then we'll view the post. Alrighty, and there's our new picture right next to the text. And this way, since this picture is part of your library because you saved it instead of using the link, then you don't have to worry if the person gets rid of this picture. You don't have to worry because you have a copy of it in your library. So that's the better way and the smarter way to do it. So that's pretty much all you need to know about your library. Aside from, you can, up here on this top menu bar, you can also access your media from here. Okay. Oh, now there's one other thing. We want to learn how to put in a YouTube video. Okay, so let's go to, we'll add a new post here. Okay, and my business video, we'll call it. Okay, and you go down here and let's get some lorem ipsum, copy. Okay, paste. Okay, so we have some text going on here. Okay, and let's say you want to put a video in here. Okay, so we'll make a space for it. All right, and let's see, we'll go to YouTube. Okay, this is one of my videos here. So when you click on the video, and the video
Okay, so this is a video
playing,
on...
you can click on the pause button. Actually, I'm not in the right. Here it is. I was behind the scenes, so pay no attention to that. Okay, so this is the video. So we're
of $98 a month on the
so you just click on pause. You go down here where it says share. Okay, and it's going to open up, and here's the video link here. Copy. Now WordPress is set up, and we have to go into the text window. Okay, and right here between the two paragraphs I'm going to paste this. and we'll click on the visual side. Okay, now WordPress is set up to recognize YouTube video links. So I put that link in and it automatically recognized it and pulled the video in and embedded it into the page. Now in the event, occasionally it's a little bit finicky, it's a little bit temperamental. Occasionally you might have a problem where it doesn't recognize the link. If that should happen, you click on, instead of clicking on just share here, you can click on embed, and that'll give you an iframe link. You copy this link and you copy it into the blog post area. Copy. Okay, and then we'll go between the paragraphs and we'll do this. Okay, and that should have 2 copies now of the video. Yeah, so this one here, it looks like it's not a video, but it really is. So let's save this, we'll publish this, and we'll take a look. Okay, and we'll view post. Alrighty, and see, it turns that little blue area into a live video. Okay, and so that's how you add a YouTube video to a blog page. You can also add one to a regular page that you want to appear on your menu. So that's about it for the gallery and the media. Okay, adding new, how to add a video. So that's about it. So thanks a lot.